Are you tired of being tethered to a power cord while cleaning your home? Say goodbye to limitations and hello to efficient cordless cleaning with the Eureka NEC280TL RapidClean Pro Cordless Cleaner. This powerful and versatile vacuum is designed to tackle everyday messes with ease, providing superior cleaning performance and unmatched convenience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unparalleled cleaning power. Experience the ultimate cleaning performance with the upgraded 250W brushless digital motor of the Eureka NEC280TL. With 240% more powerful suction compared to its predecessor, this vacuum effortlessly tackles dirt, dust, and debris on any surface, from hardwood floors to carpets. Say goodbye to stubborn messes and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. Extended runtime for uninterrupted cleaning. Don't let a short battery life hold you back. The Eureka NEC280TL offers an impressive 40 minutes of runtime, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning throughout your entire home. Say goodbye to constantly having to recharge and hello to a better cleaning experience. Advanced filtration system for cleaner air. Breathe easier with the 5-stage filtration system of the Eureka NEC280TL. Designed to capture fine dust and small particles, this system ensures that dust is kept out of the air, preventing secondary pollution and creating a healthier living environment for you and your family. Versatile cleaning modes and convenient features. Effortlessly switch between 3 power modes with fingertip control, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience to suit your needs. Plus, with the LED headlight brush illuminating hard-to-see dust, you can achieve a deeper clean with ease. The specially designed Easy Rest Nook and slim nozzle design make it easy to maneuver and clean under furniture, while the included crevice tool and 2-in-1 upholstery brush ensure that no mess goes untouched. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you're ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home without the limitations of a corded vacuum, the Eureka NEC280TL RapidClean Pro Cordless Cleaner is the perfect choice. With its powerful suction, extended runtime, advanced filtration system, and convenient features, it's a must-have for any modern home. In conclusion, the Eureka NEC280TL RapidClean Pro Cordless Cleaner is a game-changer for home cleaning enthusiasts. Its powerful suction, extended runtime, advanced filtration system, and convenient features make it the ultimate cleaning companion for tackling everyday messes with ease. Don't settle for less when it comes to cleaning your home. Choose the Eureka NEC280TL and enjoy a cleaner, healthier living environment today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.